Just a friendly reminder to remove all fine bags. All strollers must be folded prior to boarding the tram. There'll be no eating, drinking, smoking, or vaping. No one's allowed sitting unless it is a small child sitting with a parent. And all small children must be seated towards the center of the tram. Once again, if you have a backpack on, please remove it. And all strollers must be folded prior to boarding the tram. Thank you. Just a reminder, we are headed to the Mickey and Friends and Pixar parking structure only. We do not go to any of the Disneyland hotels, Toy Story parking, or Simba. Once again, please don't open the doors on the other side. Thank you. We are headed to the Mickey and Friends and Pixar parking structure only. We do not go to any of the Disneyland hotels, Toy Story parking, or Simba. At this time, gonna call for no more boarding. No more boarding. Please remain behind that yellow safety line, and then the tram will be here shortly. From against stop one, please remain seated with those doors closed. Tram 2, getting ready to depart. Driver, here.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stoppage and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
approaching, please remain seated with those doors closed until the tram comes to a full complete stop. And I've indicated it is safe for you to exit towards the driver's right-hand side. Once again, that will be the driver's right and only the driver's right away from the street. Please wait. Lower your head, watch your step, exit towards the driver's right.
Hello everyone, welcome aboard the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals Tram. Please lower your head and watch your step while boarding. Please place young children toward the inner side of the tram, away from the sides. There may be no lap sitting, except for very young children who are sitting with their parents. Children may not ride in strollers. Strollers should be folded and safely stored before we leave. As a courtesy to other passengers, we ask that there be no eating, drinking, or smoking on board. In just a few moments, we will begin our trip to the Disneyland Resort main entrance plaza. Thank you.
Está bien aquí. No quería venir. Getting it cold right there.
¿Dónde fuiste a torneos?
La casa de Leti.
Tiene muchas fiestas. Esta Valerie sabe hacer uñas. Valerie, la de Alex.
And there will be no more boarding at this time. My guests on board, please remain seated with the doors closed. This tram's getting ready to depart. Driver, you are clear.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía esté en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Mejor vamos a comer ahí en el Sayes. ¿No se va a venir a comer? Porque ahorita el chiste es una hora. Nomás para esperar con la mesa.
Driver, you are clear.
Oh, no, qué polis.
Welcome to the Disneyland Resort 70th celebration, where 70 years of magic, memories, and happiness fill every corner of the happiest place on Earth. We're now en route to the Disneyland Resort main entrance plaza, gateway to Disneyland Park, Disney California Adventure Park, and Downtown Disney District. If you are here just for the day, Our one-day car copper ticket offers same-day admission to both Disneyland and Disney California Adventure. If you have more time to spend, multi-day tickets are an especially good value. Welcome back to our Magic Key holders. Unlock more magic today with your pass by checking the Magic Key portal on the Disneyland app for your latest discounts and special offerings under Extras Unlocked. Maximize your visit by downloading the official Disneyland app to purchase tickets, access park maps, view attraction wait times, and mobile order food for pickup. To provide a more enjoyable experience for everyone who visits, smoking and vaping are not permitted in our theme parks, the Esplanade between the parks, or in the downtown Disney district. If you have brought your own food and beverages, please use the picnic area located just to the left of the Disneyland main entrance. We are now approaching the main entrance plaza. At the end of your visit, please return here to take the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals tram back to the parking area. The trams will continue running until 1 hour after the latest park closing time. Please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram comes to a full stop. Then gather your belongings, watch your step, and exit to the driver's left. Thanks for traveling with us today.
Please remain seated with the doors closed until this tram comes to a full stop. You're going to be exiting on the driver's left-hand side. Driver's left-hand side to exit only. Please remain seated. Alright, gather your belongings, lower your heads, and watch your step as you exit to the driver's left-hand side.